Good evening, my people. Not good evening. Where are we going to buy? Yeah, I feel in my head. Now let me share the video. Share the video for me, guys. Share the video. This matter don't tire me. Now share the video. Share the video, guys. Share. Let's go into the topic, guys. Always say care. Hey, now let me share the video. Muna see the one when I can't say. But I can make a video now. Ni magba totana kugbe. I can share the video. Ah, salopo ya gunje. Share the video, guys. Let's do this together. Oseke o yari me yo what ore o babi we amu ko ni gba kan. Oseke hey. Share the video for me, guys. Share the video. I want you na guide video now so that many people be mostly in Europe ni mawajena also ya sikegbe at all. Why work again well in the pure you better room for your life. I'm coming, guys. Share the video for me, guys. I'm not seeing the share, you know. Let me check if I can still share it on my phone. Share the video for me, guys, so that it will go viral. Share for me, guys. Share. Hey, when I share the video, I can make a video now not go viral. Wakumega. Okay, can a video now not go viral, so that normally one can not me and with the video. Wakumega. I'm not seeing any comment, so if you are here with me, say hi. Say hi so that I will start the topic. Wakumega video na Rossetti. Hey, Salopwani. Amazing. I'll be your friend, person need to the keep. Or say yeah, keep it. If you know you are here with me, say hi. Say hi. Let's share the video, guys. Let's share it. Salopwa. I don't tire. My people, hey. Now know what they happen to me, eh? Now not go believe and say, waiting. My fellow woman again. Hey. When I share the video for me. Hey, Salopwa. I need to talk this thing here for my platform so that no me and I have that no gwale lesbian no word. Me I not feel they live that kind of life with my fellow woman. I not feel they live that kind of life. Can't they with man they do lesbian? Which kind of thing be that? I beg Muna share the video for me. I beg Muna share that so that the video will go viral. I want her to see this video so that he will know that I'm really serious. She should stop disturbing my life. Say hi guys, if you are here. I'm seeing some comments here right now. So let's share the video. Let's share the video. Let's share it, guys. It's not more people here. I need more people, like from 10, 20 before I go into the story that I'm going to share with you guys. Hey, wagай. Wait, mama, I will like 10, but no 20, so that no they go viral. So that no man I'm a video now. Cause this thing is really too much, eh? It's really too much. I'm a very ya for a victim. Okay, I'm a very ya the war so ya for a victim because the bomb no go make a friend the kakabo. Hey, God. Yeah, I don't know say that so you bio. I know you know at all. So now so this lady be. To say I don't say now so it be. I for not make friend with her for the first time. La for not try her. No, I for not try her now. For not try her at all. I beg, Muna, let me share this video. The story nyatana. Egbeme ona sunu. This one not be say wetin person they tell person or a person carry the story can't give me. No, na my body na this story dey when I want to talk about. So that's why I say Muna share am so that the video will go viral. So that no man na no me na be video na no me na anyway here. So now get serious. So that it will stop disturbing me because the disturb is too much. It's really too much, my people. It's too much for her. It's too much for her. Maybe I will start saying it now. Maybe if anybody is here, you are new here, you can say hello so that you will be able to narrate. But now you ask me the story. Wagume agai. You only video na go viral. Now make me the same one I me share. Because I know say this my friend, so she not they follow me for my page. Elele me page mena ni lona. Elele me vo. You understand? I mean no say yes, not they follow me for page, but he get on my Facebook where she did use. Even because of that one self, I don't even use vaccination to block her for my normal Facebook. You understand? I make me say Muna share her so that no me and I saw bo. And now that we make me now before a victim because of what I make a friend. Me, I believe, say the way you still they tell me, maybe I make friend knock on their hand, and I let you want I can't get now as friend, though, and I don't want make you constantly change, though. Me, I don't know say this woman get plan. Me, I don't know say get plan. Muna, let me share this video. If to say me, I know say that kind of person self, I for not even draw an earbody for the first time. Why you go say me you and your fellow woman they do lesbian? Not where this woman not a bad for me, oh. Me, I know that just the think and say, based on we be friends now, because if me too still get normally now, so I still do for her too. Me now reason all those things where maybe even they would never feel like, but me or say me because of a plan, me may well me plan. I get my point, so Wa go make a video now. No me na go viral. A story na me na keep you over. The thing don't tire me before you go even cause quarrel between me and my hobby. Now make me want to do this video so that my hobby go still get that trust for me. So okay. Now truth say this my woman never for a victim for this lady body. Because I they report everything to my hobby say see what they happen between me and my girlfriend do. My hobby go still say maybe na joke she did and she not see but hey. Now when this girl come naked, we will do video call. Now the thing surprise me. So if we boys on a me wa gbere invo. Ekiama na vu wa ko wa ya dog on wa zin you we get to wa gwale kia. Tu wa gwale kia. Wo su no adu event ko Lawa I be share the video. No me na go very oh no ya vai because of many carry you money ne lady no ma onori me. O ma onori no he wa me there now. The waiting this lady do me today. This my friend and that one can't pay me pass. Girl pay me pass now that one. And I just carry my baby for her though. I just carry her for her with the video call. Next thing this guy don't naked start this thing. Thank God say quick me take drop her my baby. Now I take cut the call for a man say what where I am where ya take it be a girl who will ban we are be una go along one agba with lesbian una go along ame ben kia wa mi se wa se kia ya when mo we do akulo boy gbowe okwana magbe mama mu me kiro baby ya no dele no lo ona ama me ya bugwe cupboard o hagi gume gi jowe get na we na nwana e ko be kan ina iti be chance na azo se woke e ko na e ameti force be when tin be call imegi mo ha o ebe na otie be se wa ajo wa mi jo I wana wa nya na we de no wa bi wa mo na wa we rubbish wa mo ye social media. Ina we want my social media. A nakedness of any year, never need ya record their video here. All of the day with me. Muna share this video. Muna let me share this video. If we reach that kind 20 to 30 or from 10 going, I go feel maybe the record I go feel play out today. Muna listen to waiting we in a fellow woman like me, wagem in no tamami. If you the fellas do like your word already, who like your word or who are well draw, it will go be our raw. It will work me lesbian yaga live. Hey, some one went down. Mary have a me. Mary have a me. Eh, send me too fan, man. Me too fan. And where you go your day with your hobby. If this girl come my house, she are not they let me they wait me person they wear bossa pants, so I know they try her. If I ever wear anything for where she did, hey, she go say you too look sexy, oh. Now this one your guy just the shop, so who they do this thing together. I go tell her say, if my husband they come for work, say my hobby they come, not they call me for food, say I they come also. You know they call me. You are what one we want a go wa me with social media that one not concern me. Why you be me on any day if you ever me? When I don't see this kind of thing before. Me I never start the story. I just they jump on so that Muna for help me share this video. Me go there, me go even meet his husband we marry am for us. He only video na ya I know me na how wo no you wo. Wo no you wo he otolo be. Otolo. And so your husband prick not the belly fun am. Your husband not sabi do am. He not sabi do am. If your husband don't do am finish, he go still go inside bedroom. He go use the care up when he gets. This guy want kill me. it won't cause frustration for my anybody. When I deal with mama, I can't do that kind of thing. I beg my fellow ladies, who now they make the kind women who now they me go with. Because some of them prick not the belly food. Some of them not be up. A quick here, again, like complete. Oh, when you are that the way of be where he didn't be say, what me be not swamp. What he can't wear. Oh, he mammy, a be what they worry, or the body will be 1 minute or yet quite jororo. He go come go bedroom, he go tell us he want go back. He'll go use the carol, but no one mad they make sure they only near me say with her though, and he go call they use the carol bar till they do it say, and before he go come. Now, because where woman with the husband house, you go see they use a penis rubber, but soon, I'm where you are. This woman, when they talk, so he get 3 children, 2 boys, 1 girl. I know I make sure he name now, but I pray me try him again. And if you try him again, all that's all he record, all his video, all his screenshot when I get, I will carry up for social media. I will carry or make that disgrace for enter a body. Because this thing is really too much. It's really too much. Or too much in Egbe. And if you not see this lady when I talk about her, very fine and sexy lady. Even Ima, the way they see Ima they okay. Ima not too fat. He just the average. You understand? He's not too tall. But I imagine where woman go still get that kind of man for inside house. You go say enough if they satisfy you. Oh no, see, some of you here do so we whoa. Now make them see some women feeling so. Some of you adolescents now they were turn over here don't know, or that from here don't know. Now make the thing. Now make me carry on social media. He husband not say me with the woman and so we be 5 and 6. So if you come across this video when I do, your guy must know say na a woman I dey talk. And I say you want leave your guy. I say you want leave your guy. As you dey now, how you take they do now? How many times your guy your hobby they meet you? And cause which kind useless woman be this one? Are you okay? Are you okay? This woman now don't call me almost 4 times this evening. They ask me, say, hey, your husband, hey, he don't sleep. If your husband don't sleep, let me know. I just dey in the mood. I beg, hey, maybe we for go bedroom, and maybe we start to do the thing. I could tell her, say, make this girl not come put me for problem one day. Now make me sharp come out. So before, because my girlfriend they suspect and they tell me, say, this your friend, so the way into they look am, if they complete that thing before I can't tell her, say, see what thing they go on. I don't believe, I'm not sure whether I'll go fit they me go with this girl again. I want just give her a chance. Now all because they tell me, say, actually I'm trying to tell you about this lady, say, the way it they play with you, one woman go they play with your fellow woman, go they touch your breast, they touch your nyash, they say, ha, see as you pockish. See as you find, because they prepared me. Even sometimes, self, when my hobby go even sit down with us for parlor. This guy not agree me sit down with my hobby. He go come sit down for center. He go pull up for my body. He go they prepared me. I can say this is the way you they do. So now when they let my hobby because they say maybe get waiting me with you, they do hair though. This guy no one year now he just use am for him max. This today always just do this evening. I make me enter this live video. When me at this girl day, I tell you now this thing till they go. Muna let me share this video. And the thing they happen ever since. When me with this girl no, now train station me with her for no. Where he want himself want take trade, himself want take trade. As you just see me say, he carry children no, now make me not too still fear. Say this one a lesbian. Me ask me with a great finish. He can't say whether I feel give her my number. Say she all like me, she want make me with her just be friend. I not go feel reject woman like me now. At least person not go your fit date this life, you go say you not even get one, get two friends. You understand? I can't give this girl my number. So from there, me with her come they greet, with they call. If they come my house, I they imagine where woman like me could they do space for me. If you go market, you go buy tights, you go buy shirts, you go come buy and give me. Then me go they say, you sure say this girl clean? Inside my heart tonight, I was sitting and say, kill me, you come they happy, say, I never see this kind of friend once. This girl yours good to me. So anytime when me tasty go market, I go still buy for her. But what did they do for me? It pass what me they do for her. Now there I come this so if I buy her something of €1, if this girl want buy me, go buy me waiting pass down 1 times 3. I could imagine say, they see this kind of friend they get for euro. Now me and this my friend can't take deal. If you go market, you go buy pants, can't give me. See, I know they let me wear the pants. Because my fellow woman not go feel your back pants. I go come wear, I don't know waiting they happen. If you want buy me the rest things, I go there accept time. You go say whether this pants me not like, and the pants where she even they buy. All those ones where yours they sessing. Anytime when she take on my house, she go they force me say, man, go wear that pants now. And since my cannot dey house, man, go wear her. And make we just still play together. I couldn't imagine. I couldn't try to ask her and say, what did that one mean? Man, go wear pants, me will come play. You know what you did talk. When I did with man, may God not let her happen. Say my man come from work, come jam me with this thing now. You know not say this thing safe. If we even cause divorce, you know what you did do safe. Yeah, she goes still say man no vex. Now joke she did. Now joke he did, joke he did. Now she can't start her. If me and this girl they sleep in the afternoon time, where would they sleep? Now so you go they touch on my body. Go they dress. Say, I beg go. What do you they do now? He go they ask me whether the thing not they sweet me. I go say, what did they do you? I deal with man. And me and my husband they together. We dey live for over many years now. Nothing don't cause problem between me with unless we just still exchange words on 1 or 2 things. Finish. Say all those kind come they cause quarrel between us. That kind of thing never happen once, my sister. I know one me you can't cause problem for my own. This girl go still pause. He go still pause. He not go still do anything from there. This one will come fear me. Me and this girl know since a year plus now. Now me with her tell no. So as he can't continue to do this thing, I can't notice him. Can't say I go only me want go sit down. Sometimes my hubby go they ask me say, what do you they talk for inside man? And this girl thing me just the reason for my head say they say this kind of woman where they with man you go they find your fellow woman more and they do things together. Hey. I can't say this one fear me. Later now. What did this girl can't do now? We make me come this live video, my people. He continued to let me just say since that one a year plus with me with Ande no. This thing doesn't happen since 8 months. You now understand me so? It doesn't happen. So now so me with her can't day. She can't continue to do the thing. So I can't limit her. She go naked the bar for bedroom. She go sit down for me. Now I can say this thing don't tire me. Instantly, now I go test it and delete her because sometimes my hobby they take my for me not gonna come across this kind thing because now my fellow woman I need to secure and she go not they get me so I go still delete and come out. Okay, I go still warn her. I go say, no, they say this thing to me. You get husband. If says they hungry, you go meet her, clear ban. Take care for when you wearing all your phone we co. And you wear a jail. And she goes still say no vest. Now no vest, no vest, no vest. Any name now rise, on our rise, on our rise. So no give Mohana. Ona continue ya with me now. No him ya me. She go they beg me. She goes, I beg, make me do this thing with her. If me not do this thing with her, he go leave your husband. Ah, this lady husband a very nice man. Very nice Benin man. Very nice Benin man. Get 3 children. 2 boys, 1 girl. Now this is our sister get. And she too now still from Benin. Very nice, but go see they tell her and say, why you go leave your car? At least before you are this man, no. You don't know everything. You're supposed to know the way man set a perform for bed. That's you with her, you know now. At least una must do that thing. Nobody be small picking. Una must do, una must test each other. At least una still test each other now. Why you not come know how the man take the perform? Una they understand me so, my people. I don't excuse me, guys. I'm coming, guys. Let me check. I don't come back, my people. We go check my children. When they get my point, so excuse me. And me not see any more story na latia. Most of one ya, most of na ya. Muna start to the use Camadon. A beer Camadon ya tie. Money fie. You money fie me. Was stop best for ya love ya keep wo. Because this girl, what did she tell me? Where back for me? He said when he with man newly know. He says it's a bit perform for beds. Or go wag be. Or wag be. Or we but na hi jena. Every wag be. Every wag be. Or when you show up my love your key natural strength of it. And that is truth. Emma Tawani. Emma Ewa no. If me was seriously a message now. Emma Ewa no. I beg. You have your boys. Walao. One who na quick out. If we so if you don't get the way you do the wish. Every one understand it now. Because when me yami or that from Serena. Or say me, you can give a level say but I just they put her like that. Because this thing it don't really vex me. When me yami a demand or what so ya. Or ma tag be, or ma put on weight be. The ma just the average. Let me go see ask her, say, where shall or that food when I go perform with bed ya? Or wait, how get go perform. Who get a point even now? Where go perform? Ah, in a way, sure. Ever ta we tell me na where opian where was so many years go perform. Or we know, ye met it to the money or singing him. Or where we have a man narrow, we had that one a bit. Or we know ya making you happy as woman, not understand now. We know ya winning, equal yours get out for belief. Say now this kind man yours they pray for, make she you're married. Ye ma ni aro wodo, or do kini nyala ge, because oh ni awo ni him. Ye wa like a vivi oni and in manare ye get a binye. Ebe na bi ane ye we in a way it be where warm now me are this my friend because they tell me everything about him married. It cause a man not the last 1 minute. He say even if they talk to me now or we last 1 minute or what or that thing I love ye kini. Ye must to yari bedroom. After me nyata me anyway, I dey come I want to wash my body. He say go carry that rubber prick because he buy am. He get where he put am for his house because their house just still big. So he oga no know that particular place where they put the thing. So he go get up, he go the other room where he put am. He go take the thing, go take am, follow body, put cream. He go use am for himself again for toilet. And that kind of thing no good. Me woman wey dey husband house still dey use prick, rubber prick till they do itself. It's not really nice. Man nice in my people. Wala go. Have a new boys in mana. Wa try. Why am we Ramadan? Because if you not complain, mommy, when me with her, you know. He say man they use Ramadan till they meet her. If they try, they even last. He go they do one. Now she said when even they tired that time, she go they complain, say, I know if you do one again, I don't tire. He said, but now I know they last a minute, so when last. So now make this woman now the thing now come the bother her. He said of her to go look for man. We go come they sleep with her. He know what? Make it come carry belle. We not be your girl or can't give her. Say now make her you want yours they do this lesbian. Let me go tell her say my sister, me are not going to do this lesbian with you. I know my man mention his name because if I mention his name, a lot of people go know her. Because now still advanced lady, not be small girl. So if I mention his name now, a lot of people go know her. So now make me no one mention his name. I want to make it come across this video. Now make me say, Muna, I need share her. So that he not go repeat himself again. If he repeat himself again, everything what she do with me, I go carry or come out for social media. Because that is not really nice. As a married woman, you dey do that kind of thing. You dey even do it, you dey find married woman when you want even in chat. Maybe with her they do the thing. It's not nice. Not nice at all. Now they get my point. So now this girl, they tell me everything. Why you Ramadan love your coco? Woman, when you know say you want marry, even the part for me say, with your natural, how can we are when you would say, in case if you just love you, oh what I'm aware with yes, a book be an once. With your performance, if you go just open up to you, say the way you take it to what be an ayani. Yes, you as a man, you go need to say, okay, no problem. If you still love the woman, you need to find solution. Well, the solution is when you boya situai. Oh, well, the solution is boy. Because he may believe you was a man, maybe all cover that many friends already in Yagbaku. Maybe you'll see and then he won't say. Because when he may go, he may be phone. even this evening wetin come vex me pass me dey inside house I dey do something she fair call me because me I know say na stupid thing dey come out for a man and my husband sit down with me now I come call her I no pick now she come drop voice note for me thank God say I no play that voice record for where my husband dey because I know the kind person wey she be. She no just dey she no be person wey fit dey dey do it thing on code dey do am gwa that is not nice. Okay ke mi be adu jinwe. Even now like inside the bedroom when I listen to the record. She dey tell me say babe how far abeg make you try go bedroom now and make we for start. Make you try go bedroom make we for start. I beg I just go beg you I just dey in the mood me and my oga I just tire e no dey last this thing now e just dey hungry as this morning as e just come for work and she come bath take care of the children they come enter bed so he come say okay make it still do am by himself. He say I still do am by himself now he never even reach how many minutes the man just still throw away bro. He just still throw away and I make her call me abeg if my hubby don sleep abeg ma let her know whether you go fit go bed me go fit go bedroom make we dey video call and make I just use her take touch my breast and make he use that one take release. Now the thing paro me. I go tell this girl say you dey okay. Ume we me ho. No that when he now one. No that when he now one take the work will not free him. I thought they paro for her for four say oh zuo e gbomwe. Teta acha wo we pa wo wodo. Mu ya gbacha wo ni wo e gbe me wana do lene. Emi ni me wo we mesati e we fu go de gbedo amwe lesbian ba me you we gia. You we gia. You don't come across a video now. No me na e we o ho me e ma be gbe. Na make me e we akwa ro mo go me ko. Ogo me ko wo wa le me make friends na be le we make friends na wa ye me ba be lesbian. Ima we lesbian ke do wan se gbo na. We gi wa go biara na do we lesbian go wo jaria. Wajaria, you were Gia. Oh, be no baby, you wear you one, no baby, I will go near you one, or may I go one near you one with a kitano, or one lesbian or how here. Me, I believe said that woman go the fuck around the husband. Me, I just believe her because who kick the wood water, who be me honey, who gualoconi when wagba, who could boy go. That means okona bi awe bi kona maybe o bi awe ki ugunga bi kona maybe ye oni ye do te yi megua o teti megi kele for a victim banner or set you de na kwena e she o kon say na me with her dey do am no gwa na gbe ye na the paro me na go bedroom na I will become okuma wo so no wa gbagbe. She not still cut the call. Whether this girl na devil, Isaiah, because you know say me not be person where they put for speaker. Even if she did my house, me I go me for your speaker. Unless it will maybe between my way or that from whatever, or if I don't say the thing when I want to talk, you not too head this strong guy. I go feel put on. Say get what the person they discuss with me, like my speaker. Now she can't start. Now your hobby they talk for them. I bet me that one go sleep. As I else they talk, so I bet me that one go. It's not go sleep. As he go work, he's supposed to tire now. But this time never sleep. They follow you up and down. You don't know say you be my hoe. You be my hoe. You be my hoe. I could say I not be your own. I could they reject her. Say I not be your own. Not talk him again. I not be your own. If you defend lesbian where you want to go meet your fellow girl for that side. Not be me you want come initiate for lesbian issue. He made it do it. He be money. He money na ya mwigina. He money na ya sioma. Ina we yawe woza yawe. Tu gwale lesbian wala wo. Iteme nikbia. Iteme nikwo. Else ya na miye webo agu ose. Iso waro no wa frustrating ya wa gwale mani ya wa silo bagbe. Ikbia ni wa be nwe kramado wa wetu wa nwe kramado wa perform me. I pity for una. When ya die mwere kuwa he o ye be fimi ba wa. Only God no. Tete ge na tete we kaya da fun ewo wa wa. No na kwale lesbian no only God na go no. If woman when you know say you want marry my brother, no they use Mary City they sleep with her. And you kun lo yeke. Okay, no last 1 minute where baby you know here won't be anuhi. Okay, no last 2 minutes where baby you know how won't be anuhi. Or 5 minutes you know where baby you we 1 hour where be 30 minutes you know where baby you like you want accept to where we like but when we Ramadan we are love ye kokole later na woduri okwo yowa iwo ga hekia una go use the happy say he my woman or cannot be my woman not the shito ihe wari kona ya we hia e dey agbese ge na ke yawe ma kon your house I dey in the moon my oga no dey her I dey na we ya maru we I tell we here do we ruwe we ma be ruwe we ma be ruwe as a concise na you not see her for video call that day as a concise yeah this girl go take call she go use naked or abanwa any reason I go say they tell us I'll screenshot you I'll record you she go say he don't care we ma care we ma care we life in even if your husband they even fair where your husband will say make it go away safe because you gwale way by way ni ya we for makpa so you be gwale bi no that nya ya lad even if you want carry and come out for social media let me carry no the you know the fear to the fucking ass ye bi amedi me buy any time owo tsana ina we for life for a dear life or would be calling no bami ina we ti a report ina weti a report ya we ya report one ima ye lesbian ya duru we webo ima ni na tie lesbian ima we ke pawowa I don't know ima be na we he everything where this woman call the park come now you call the reason say na oh what do na wa be jina o pe na wa be yo na you go wa be ayo go hair proud oh na kuma you know the shit so you know the oh wa we kia ga we gwalo a lesbian or iya keta we we kunkun ba equal me I go dey see am for social media not the believer now when this guy go carry rubber pre-comat he go carry cuba comat he still get one this way still they use that one be like this thing now wetin they say the only ya ye cream or ya ye cream ya wo be the thing dey small or ye tun o ma pologbo ifie cream yoni odo ya wu pe kero bani odo ya wega or there you we be out the video call with her me just here wait to make me consider the video call with her because me ya no imwe we phone me if you do any I go carry and come out now make me the tell her so he can block it again now the Facebook ona you know that Facebook ya had me again il a me bloqué the WhatsApp il veut nana il veut bloquer the normal que bloquer the WhatsApp ona would baby you know that no ba had me again that thing the SIM card you where I don't know when no ya we boy imimo bobeni imimo bobu ben a lesbian when no gwale ya no bunya wozo egbe woman I don't tire. I would anything for now. When he block any, we pray. No one would be your boy said a picture nakedness or red me back where. Anytime with this guy in the bedroom, I never still see this girlfriend once. Wala oh. Most no make no ya the word ya. If you're a woman, you ready to stay with your man. You ready to stay with man. Avoid some friends. Avoid some friends. Or say yagu mobo. If you don't notice the woman or the girl say he will not pure, my sister, queer me I be person where just trust myself because all la mo already merowa. Ina kwa luarelele get ina luarelele na luarelele because I know say na woman like me I don't want hot time. You go with me no hot time but if we not to we no hot me. Because when me ya dan va be phone ni to ta fi me villa dia. Ala bi atama we one ya obi ori me for that matter my love. Or we boni wowa the thing dress me. Onya uwa bi ano wari me yowa no gba ori me ugwe bonya uwa na the thing paro me. Walao wa be careful. O ko ya na me we webo. Even o toni makere a message now. Ya no. Because I make an analysis. So a message in any over concerning with Makba, ya no, where there we bonakba, or can in my the kind of friend in my gumobo. Person like me, or man, or what to have any what to tie palona. He was afraid with me. He met it or a bossa pants or honorary party, what you singlet, you were a co-work you wear out dying. What since when that girl couldn't do anything? He or he come point when he get walk, even though he have come away me here. In a way, again, I'm a pure. Again, now, remember, set of Yaya, the bon shot job of Walinje. He was the 30 of our torso top. He was the edge. Because first time, okay, I swim now near a bossa party, by now, the singlet. Where may I be there? I sit down for share. With my hobby, this guy comes sit down for center. He use body push my hobby come out for where I did. He use body push her. Because my hobby not go care because you know say we be woman and so you not go feel easy that kind of thing. And she could they touch my body. She says she asked me your fan this evening. Say I too fine no. Now this one my hobby just the shop so if they touch on my body. Let me put the picture. The picture say now. Wow, no see problem you mo now. But because if they use one eye, say they look now. It when me. Now I become question and say, who be out now? Where or man no near me now no wherever we use the press on my woman body. What did they do you say? Now she come quiet. She can't say you don't mean anything. I just they play with him now. You know me. Now my husband say me. In me. I be a lesbian with him. Now the thing throw away from my hobby max. Because my husband a person will be saying if you want to talk word, you know they fear the talker. I be a lesbian with him. I don't hear walking in like be lesbian. Let me call laugh. In a way, even I will tell in a way. In a way, what can make a lesbian? In a water boy lesbian, I tie of it, but go your if once I don't know me from a big girl now, then make me the tell and say, what be careful. Once I don't know me from a big girl now, and then no carry. No cake na before me now kiss you. You will bedroom way. Me na person wey be say me I dey free myself for woman like me even if for say me no go we me ti kire bedroom yo to take it all do EP or me ti la o ve no je toilet ni nya e o ko ni wa bi ya akwiro ni me na person wey sabi free myself I want to give away again and I wanna I'm afraid Igbena and I will beg but I want free Igbene I want me cannot allow Igbe Fana. So make all they talk all those things. Me not to me it on. Anyway, why are we bedroom? Opucheku. Opucheku. Opuche. Opucheku. Ah. Let me come say, ah, again, nah. What Pucheku, but what about me for? And then she called to tell me, say, I beg you one pee. Make me open the bedroom for her. Now I can't tell her, say, no verse, wait, man, fair true. He can't try to open the door. Because the door now, no door, some door, they jam. This our own, they jam. Once you lock them now, your pusher, the door jam be that you can't use key join now. Be marking. Ina mission when ina jewu latin. I may be able to legbe. Ina jewel latin. Mama no way like in ya jewu we better because of a hit in no kevare. When I eat jewu, ruwe toilet. Be halfway. You have to carry cloth when you want now. You have to carry cloth come bedroom. You have to carry cloth come bedroom where you wear. You not come out like that now, babe. You not good now. You're not your sister there, so I can say you not be my sister. My sister where they film at to tell you what they look. Now you be. Wallah, Wallah, be careful. Oh, yeah, oh. But if we so no man or see the most of it be so every year now time where to those kind of stuff. If we do one man, it is me all one no any baby. Why me again not dare me? Why me not dare me? Why me not dare me? It must of more why go me joy be. Because I don't know what he put for the man no give me time when we lesbian me tell me one or two jazzy or yo because I gonna na jena be careful. Me give beg a war again. When again I mean kiwa gba no wa receive a salary. They don't come see so at the market so C30 sometimes it go even come me for video call. It go they say in your budget €50 for waiting one come back for me. And maybe they tell her and you want to buy or make it use by itself. You mean not say they like sexing things so. Now I mean of course to tell her say I beg. I devine me go Demi no marry ye be at least of a day okay. Every no ban on my be we go along. Oh okay. But later all day na sense close. All day. Ukwe so no wa day me. Eya wa yeruwe luggage veni kwa no hama kumejo. Oha, ama kumejo. Wala wuwu. Make no be careful. And there obekeke oda for ma le gbo ma gun. Mostly man go biaro. Obekeke oda for ma gbo ma obekeke na ri emu wa ge got that for we water ma we ah o ma na lele na ewo re ma clean. Don't argue anything with him. Oba suppose you no sit down. You not turning. Or say, well, already working, you will sit down as woman. Oh, well, yeah, really. You will start with the notice. Who's one notice? We have a mere not have whoever have a bay. Where a young geleno, you suffer the limit as small. One limit here. One limit here. Maybe. Okay, here we see maybe or one get TV now. Tie wa kwe, tie bi ya kwe, tie o ma gi ebu bi egbe ni. We ko limit every years on we. Oni mami gu wa mi egbe ni wa re tu egbe. Wa we mi bo mi tu egbe. Wa no we ah, babe. Ah, obi jeme. Iri mi o we. E no ba we ya ko lo ri mu. E we go wa we na te do spend the weekend. But na ri je na ori de dem. Avec ou bien ou bien ou bien ou bien imagine les problèmes or see any like be managed the mabe where to atalo me normal say me those kind of stuff. That make me also free do my own. I bomb my yo. Who have a copy? Yeah, maybe me be again as is there. Maybe I will nana or I continue. But it might be I continue to advise her. I continue to tell her where Ziegbe. Other for what change. Other for what I always say. I continue to calm her down. Hey, reason on me. Your man too nice. You understand? You don't need to reason those kind of things. You understand? I can't try to carry it knife down. When I get my point, so when I try now more, you could talk. But me my woman in the morning, you could talk in here. Yeah, or my clean. When we not get the water, or no more say. But it might be a chance in your so you will not mind it. Might be a chance in your so. It might be a chance in your so maybe time to come banner. They need to soon. Mom, when you're I ain't going to go on with me. I'm way I'm more time in my well. Also, we need to lay platform in one. I'm gonna get generous civilizing me. Or maybe so normal way. If you really know, say yes, you are 100% okay. Uma anything bad with your money. One right, no, I have to have social media so that all go viral. Imami ena be yale. Iya be yale. Take no ma be careful. Oma gbe was in me like, not be any our friend. Me a few years day here, I go say nothing big. I not go make friend. I not go make. But if I use see and say you just see good to me, even if me with you they agreed before, I go to use but if they near you small because I don't see the kind of person where you be say you be free person and you dey nice. But my begin now appearance where yeah, you are okay. Oh no, where my a or my clean. What a poor baby. You were call your little life. But again, I know we only need to zone. See me if you. It's been a good on Emma nice. I'm nice at all. I can imagine me so in Azoko. Imagine that you will again. I but I will be that will laugh in the making money, that will laugh in the making planning me. I'm a very woman, okay. You know, we go here for that matter. We be okay, carrying away here, do Emma, why we have to relatively most of you will be. One. And then again now, near about that for a year or cakey. On out my way 1 minute or last. Or when you are a fool, you get go, you get they told me, you are a fool, you are listening to the background. If not, here when you want more a video call my way, now you're the sit there. Now I can't call for a year now while walk with you way. Now while walk boy. When may we yet to me marry? When may we yet to young Lily? Why more while we ma? Enough me call. So I'm gonna be careful, not be your friend, be friend. Mostly this Europe, or say ya or say, Wala, be careful. In a many message, no waron a table. Niaduta, any pataki, any encouragement, all those things. We know Koyameti, Toroleto, ya, even Koyameti, be I get all those things when I go see they need to dey talk about. And secondly, we have a topic in the Mave Mumeni, we have it, but ni what time I be one as soon. You matter, just that a day in hurry because a very kiane, more the noise individual worry. If you can't understand, or say now you